Michelle here with another tip of the week. This week's tip comes from Microsoft Excel. Tip number 4, save an Excel chart as an image. So you may wish to save an Excel chart as an image for a couple of reasons. Maybe you would like to save it to use in PowerPoint or a Word document. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a sales funnel chart. I'm going to change the colors of that, and then I'm going to demonstrate method number 1, which is the right-click Save As Picture method, and method 2, which is simply copy and paste. So let's get into it. I'm going to go to our file here, and I've got my data already pre-selected. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to click on this right down here to charts. So I can very quickly go to this more button and find a funnel chart. So I'm going to create a funnel chart here of my flow and conversions. Next, I'm going to go up and change the color. So I decided I want to make this a little bit different color scheme. And then maybe I also want to change it a little bit here with my chart styles. So the first method, I'm going to simply right click and I'm going to choose Save As Picture. And when I do this, now I can decide to put this in any of the folders that I wish. I have a business images folder. So I'm going to simply call this funnel chart 3 because I've already created a few. And then I'm simply going to press save. So now that's going to save it in the folder and I can use it in my other applications. Method number 2 is copy and paste. So I've opened up a blank Word document for this. I'm going to right click, copy. Then I'm going to switch over to my Word document and I'm going to press Control V on my keyboard to paste it in. Now I can also change this up a little bit, maybe make it a little bit bigger if I want to. I can also, let's see if I can do that. Let's see. It's not letting me make it a little bit bigger for some reason. Maybe I have to just move this over a little. Not exactly sure. Let me try this. There we go. So I made it a little bit bigger from here. I can also do some additional things over here, add some additional pieces to this. So I can do this in Word just as I would if I was in Excel. So that concludes our lesson today on how to save an Excel chart as an image. I hope you enjoyed.